Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along Bob Iacchino, checking in on NVIDIA. This is getting very overextended, gone vertical. Again, the last area was the swing high for the projections of 385.70. That gave us 411.33, which we gapped above today. It came back and tested. Next major area is 436.95. I had to go down to the 1 hour to do the most recent swing. So you see here, let me go back to auto. So it was this key low on the 1 hour from June 29th to this pausing bar just before the close. And that gives us a 431.11 if we trade above today's high at 422.80. Then we have this cluster area of 436.95 to 439.45. So that's major resistance. Now, as I started, the reason this video is going out is start getting careful. This is getting very overextended. First support on the 4 hours all the way back at 405. And then major support is 12.5% retracement coming in at 392 with the bottom of the rotation zone. Those are two key levels to watch for on any pullback. Daily chart, you see it's getting really starting to pull away from the rotation zone again. And when it starts doing that, we can sometimes rapidly return to it as we did in May. So it pulled away, then rapidly in 2 bars essentially returned to it. Then slowly climbed up again, now going vertical again. Support on the daily, I'd be really focused on that, still that 392, maybe just above it. You got the rotation zone at that 392 to 395 area. If we did return to the other side of the rotation zone on the daily, you have this little prior resistance shelf with the rising rotation zone coming in at 380. Overbought on pretty much all time frames. You can see here on the weekly, it's just gone completely vertical. It can keep going higher, but it won't sustain it forever. So know where your stops are, and if you're going to keep chasing it higher, if you start getting big intraday reversal, know how to take something off the table and wait for the bigger pullback. So we have for you on NVIDIA, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.